In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma design into Flutter code. We'll start in Figma, use a plugin to generate Flutter widgets, and copy the code you can use in your project. I'll explain what each step does and share simple tips so your output looks as close to your design as possible. First, open your Figma file with the screen or component you want to convert. Make sure the design is tidy, layers are named clearly, frames reflect the correct devices, and things that belong together are grouped or, ideally, using auto layout. Clean structure helps the plugin translate spacing, padding, and hierarchy more accurately into Flutter code. Next, look toward the bottom of Figma's interface and click the Actions area. This opens a quick menu that lets you access additional tools for your current file without diving through multiple menus. From there, choose Plugins and Widgets. This is where you'll find tools that extend Figma's capabilities. We're going to use a plugin that specializes in generating Flutter code from selected designs, saving you the hassle of manually recreating layouts. Use the search field to type Flutter, then click on the Figma to Code option. This plugin analyzes your selected layers and produces Dart code that mirrors your layout using common Flutter widgets such as containers, rows, columns, stacks, and text. If you see any notices or prompts from the plugin, just review them and proceed so it can read the design elements it needs. Before generating code, select the exact layer or frame you want to convert. Selecting the correct scope is important. If you want a whole screen, click the parent frame for that screen. If you only need a component, select just that component. Double check that constraints, auto layout, and clipping are set the way you expect, since those influence the resulting Flutter layout. With the right layer or frame selected, click Copy inside the plugin. This copies the generated Flutter code to your clipboard. The code typically includes layout structure, sizes, colors, and text styles that match your design. Keep in mind that images, custom fonts, and complex interactions may still need manual setup in your Flutter project, such as adding assets and fonts to your configuration, but the heavy lifting of the layout is now done. That's it. You opened your Figma file, accessed Actions, went to Plugins and Widgets, searched for Flutter, used Figma to Code, selected the right design scope, and copied your Flutter code. Use this workflow whenever you need a fast, accurate starting point for your UI, and refine from there.